Maintenance. Replace the blade if signs of dullness are apparent. Indicators of a blunt blade are smoke produced when cutting, burn marks on the workpiece, drifting to one side of the cut, or just very slow progress in a cut. Keep an eye on the tyres on the wheels and replace if broken. The machine's cast iron table can be cleaned and treated with a rust inhibitor and slip with products such as Silverglide. Regularly check the V-drive belt from the motor to the drive pulleys on the lower wheel. Check that the micro switches on the top and bottom door are functioning as they should. Remove any sawdust buildup in these areas. Place a small amount of oil on the hinges on the doors. Periodically check all the bolts and nuts in the stand are tight. Check the condition of your power lead. Look for signs of cuts and that the pins on the plug are straight and without fractures. Clean the machine regularly to remove any sawdust that may have built up. Check guide bearings for excessive wear and replace if necessary. Periodically, check the bolts connecting the trunnion to the body of the saw and to the table of the saw. Keep the ventilation slots of the motor clean to prevent overheating.